This video is going to show you how to shell out your cup so that we can fill it with either a liquid or a material. So it's a very easy step. We can see up here this shell tool is going to let us choose which face we want, and it already chooses the top face for us. As you can see, it's giving us this little transparent look so that it's shelling out from here. If I click it, it will turn blue. And it's asking us how large do you want the sides? How thick do you want the sides? I'm going to say that I want them to be about 1.5 because if this is glass, we don't want it to shatter and be too fragile. So I'm going to click OK there, and we can see that our cup is shelled out, but it still has the bottom intact. So it's looking way more like a cup now, and we can change our material if we want it to be glass. But if we have a cup made of glass, then these sides are going to be really sharp if you're putting your mouth on it to drink. So we want to use our fillet tool to fillet down these sides to make them a little bit rounded so that we won't get cut. So this radius, we want it to be about 0.05. And you can try a bunch of different radii on here, but some of them it will not allow you to use because your radius is too big and your cup is too thin. So if we use a radius of 0.05 and we click all these different points, which you can see that I needed to click 4 times to go all the way around because it's coming from a base with 4. If I had my base that had 6 sides, this circle would be broken into 6 different parts. So I'm going to select those and click check, and we can see that the top of my cup is getting rounded, so people won't cut themselves. But I can see that I have these 4 corners also. We don't want them to cut themselves when they're holding it, so we can use that same fillet and select all 4 of those sides by spinning our cup around, and we'll select those 4 sides, and those will get rounded as well. So now my whole cup, you can see on the bottom, my square does not have any more sharp edges. The square points are rounded. So this cup is safe to use. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a handle on it as if we wanted it to be a mug.